What's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to be tinting the headlights and the taillights of my Honda Civic. These are the tools that you need right here. So this is a film tint that I've ordered off Amazon. 2 rolls, one for each headlight. This is a soap solution, basically just water with 2 drops of dishwashing liquid. So I don't have the professional squeegee that they use at the wrap stations, so I brought this squeegee from the kitchen. Or you can just use a credit card with a cloth over it, and then in the end to cut the film we need this blade. So these are the tools that we need. जहाँ जहाँ आपको दिख रहा है थोड़ी हवा रह गई, यहाँ पानी रह गया, you just pick lift the film and push with the card and try to get the air or the water out of there. यहाँ पे again it's getting tricky because of the curve, so to help a bit I'm just gonna cut it off from here थोड़ा सा, जिससे इसको थोड़ा सा कर्व होने का मौका मिल जाए. Much better. As you can see ये वाला साइड ऑलमोस्ट हो गया है एंड अभी बस ये वाला साइड बाकी है. The next step is to remove ऊपर का जो प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर है प्लास्टिक का, उसको निकालना है बिफोर कटिंग इट ऑफ. So far looking good. Okay, so I've done trimming it off from the edges. अब बस ये जो कटा हुआ हिस्सा है इसको निकाल लेना है. So guys, I've finally completed applying the tint films. This is the final product, what it looks like.